Nimble CRM review watch before using. Most people get customer relationship management wrong. They think all CRMs are complicated, expensive, or only for big companies. The surprising truth about Nimble is that it's an easy-use, social CRM that helps small and medium businesses manage contacts, track interactions, and improve sales all without complex setup. Here's how it works. Nimble integrates email, social media, and calendar data to give a complete view of every contact. It automatically tracks communication history, sets reminders, and helps prioritize leads. For example, a small business owner can see every interaction with a client across email, LinkedIn, and social channels in one place. Most people get this wrong. They assume CRMs require manual updates, but Nimble automates data capture and keeps information organized. Additional benefits include pipeline management, task automation, and integrations with popular tools like Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, and MailChimp. Users praise its intuitive interface, time-saving features, and ability to boost sales efficiency without a steep learning curve. However, there are considerations. Advanced analytics and reporting are more limited compared to enterprise CRMs, and some integrations require higher subscription tier. Most people assume a CRM solves all sales problems. It's a tool that works best alongside solid sales strategy. In conclusion, Nimble is ideal for small to mid-sized businesses seeking a simple, affordable, and social-focused CRM. It streamlines relationship management, saves time, and keeps contacts organized in one central hub. Subscribe for more honest reviews of CRM platforms and sales tools.